Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Precious Metal Fair Edelmetallmesse Commodity TV for you here. And now with me is Monument Mining and Cathy Zhai, the CEO, wants to give us an insight into the company. Welcome, Cathy.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, great to have you here. I think for the first time even we are talking, I have the feeling. I mean, we know each other a long time,
yes,
but
yes.
Now you're at Commodity TV. Perfect. Monument Mining. The story is quite long in the market. I think at least 10, 12 years, right?
Yes,
I would say.
Yes.
And you are operating the Selinsing mine. So how was 2019 for you guys?
Well, 2019 is a very important year, which we finished off our first phase of the gold production in the Oxide materials. Now, 2019, we finished all the feasibility studies to give economics for the second stage of the gold production. So
okay, and the second stage is then the sulfides?
Second stage is we're going to mine sulfide materials, and that's replaced the first, the gold inventory has been depleted. And the first phase of production allow us to establish Monument as a gold producing company successfully. We produced 300,000 ounces with a gross revenue 400 million, and the net cash from operation is 259 million. So that has been very successful.
Okay.
The second stage, we would have 267,000 reserves and 880,000 in total resources.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, so if we can upgrade our plant to be able to treat sulfide materials, then we can expecting to generate about 100 million net cash before the tax, before the capital investment. And after the capital investment, which require about 53 million to add additional flotation plant, belt leaching plant. So we can get generate net cash after tax about 42 to 45 million at gold price 1,300.
So 1,300.
1,300 now.
Okay, super, wow.
Yeah, gold price is 1,500.
Yeah.
You can see before tax we can generate additional 44 million.
So you want to distribute then a dividend?
Well, for our main purpose for this second round, I know we get a shareholder support for all the past 10 years. And for this one, we want to generate cash, and we want to really give something back to our shareholders. And also we want to lift up, through other corporate development, to lift up our market cap and give our investors a lift up for
Fantastic.
this round. That is our main objective.
Super. So that was about Selinsing. I remember there was a project called Mengapur. At that time, when I was also working with you guys, there was something really big. I think 120 million it costed. And what happened with that?
Okay. So Mengapur project is located in the same Pahang state in Malaysia, 3 hours driving distance. And that was a state-owned large polymetallic project, had original bankable feasibility study. So we picked up that project at high copper price, at a high iron price, when all the mining companies are fighting for get more mineral resources. So we paid, including acquisition cost, including development cost, total up to date is about 120 million. So that's very decent money we put into the project. The decision was made, transaction had concluded in 2012. Is really pushed by the large shareholders, and we got the meeting is passed that special resolution for that. Unfortunately, after that, the copper price and the iron price had a big drop.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so
definitely.
We put that project on hold, but we still have the project, and we are thinking for a business partner being able to deliver that project, mainly complete kind of economic study. Because this 2019, we have published resource statements through our past exploration. We confirmed all the resources, historical resources, and the 43-101 standards. So we got 90 million tons of copper at I think it's average a grade 0.43 or 46, right? So next step is once we get a funding, get a business partner, we can start to complete our feasibility, our
so that's for the future,
study.
I would call it.
Yes, I would say we still pursue it. We don't want to, further postpone. If we get a proper partner, we'll start it right away.
Fantastic. Yeah. Okay, I see. Great. I think you have also additional projects in Australia, if I remember that correct. What's going on there?
Okay, 2014. We put 15 million Australian dollars to acquire a gold project in Western Australia. So that project is situated at a Mengapur area in WA. So that is the second large mineralization in Western Australia beside of Kalgoorlie area. It's very prospective. Since then, we spent about 16 million to carry on the explorations and to fix up the camp, fix up our existing plant in there. So the site has a traditional plant, about 260,000 ton per year capacity, 108 man camp, and full system. We fixed up the crushing plant, make it ready for production. And the only thing is we did some economic study over the past couple of years, and especially in 2009, we updated the resources, from original resources reported in 2015, about 102,000 ounces, up to 381,000 ounces.
Wow, that's a lot.
Resources. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, 2/3 of it are indicated. However, the economic, we can put it into production, generate cash, but NPV is not, suitable. It's not so great to give a return to the shareholders. And so to de-risk the risk, operating risk, we decided to put more money into regional exploration and to say, how much potential that really is. And then we can put more funding to do more exploration. And look, that has a very good, we identified in 2019, very good target, both underground and also surface. Right? So that is a starting point, and we can move forward. And hopefully we can have success.
And that would mean, let's say, in the longer term future, that you maybe can bring this project in Australia in production with cash flow from Selinsing. Is that the plan?
Yes, that's the purpose.
Okay, I see. Fantastic. Most important thing you want to achieve in 2020? What's your biggest target?
Well, our biggest target is we want to get this funding in place. Then we can put Selinsing into second round of production to generate cash flow. And secondly, we're looking into the corporate move. And through exploration, through more acquisition, and or other corporate opportunities, focus on find a way to increase the overall shareholders' value.
Fantastic. Great. Cathy, I would say you have a lot of work in front of you. But good luck for that. All the best. And I think we see us latest at PDAC.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Great. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Cathy Zhai, the CEO of Monument Mining, and you heard it now, Selinsing. The first phase is really done. Now the second phase of the production will start quite soon, depending on the funding, and I'm pretty sure Cathy gets it done. And also with the optionality in Australia, quite interesting. So thanks for watching us. Check out the company, and bye-bye from Munich.